Hello YouTube, today is Sunday, June the 30th, 2019, about 8:48 in the morning, and I'm bringing you this rushing water here, but that's not really what I wanted to start this out with. Here's what I wanted to really bring you, was this rushing water. Huh? What do you think about that? That's a big waterfall, it's a very fast waterfall, and that's a nice waterfall. I just took some pictures of it. I'm hoping they came out nice. I'm liking the way the sun's hitting that green over there, right? And of course the rest that's in shadow. But this is the start of today's video for sure. Show you, we're still in Valdez. In fact, I will show you. Right over here, we're parked over there. But over there is the harbor. Across that water is the harbor. And that will be where we'll be heading next. So, if you just look, you see the mountains are very, very smoky. Again, there's a, or at least what we heard, was there's a fire somewhere around Anchorage. And it's causing all this smoke. So, we're going to find out for sure. But this is the fish hatchery over here. And supposedly bears and all that frequent this area. I did take some pictures of a couple of eagles. I don't know if any of them turned out, but I took those way down there. They were kind of scrounging in the little muddy water. But this is where we're at. Okay, so we're on the back of the hatchery here. And there are some fish. There's one. They're kind of coming up out of the water. There's not too many of them. So, I don't even know if this GoPro is showing him or not, but see.
Look at that green.
We'll see what we can see if he comes up. Yeah, he didn't come up. Alright, so out there in the water, I don't know if you can see with this GoPro or not, there's some right here. Just watch for a minute and see. And if you look out on this end over here, they're swimming like in a circle over there. See a bunch of little fins, but again with this GoPro I doubt that's coming through. Alright YouTube, here's the next thing I wanted to show you on this trip of ours. You can pause this and read all of that and learn something. And then after that unpause it and we'll back out and show you what we're looking at here. Get it from close up first. There you go. Pretty big, right? Alright, let me back up. There's your that view. Okay, and there it is with the mountains. Here, yeah, we'll center it. Look at that. Okay, so let me do a panning shot for you, okay? Start from here. Looking straight down the street there, and the mountain with snow way down there. And then all this green on this mountain and the snow. And of course our wooden cut there. And those green mountains there, but you can see the smoke. And the FJ. Alright, we got that. And I'm going to show you a few things on this very short pier that they have here. Or harbor walk, or what do you might want to call it. This lighthouse being destroyed by this octopus here. This is all wood. There he is, of course, and you can see his tentacles going up and wrapping around. And And you can see the lighthouse being literally torn apart with his tentacles. Pretty crazy, huh? I guess that's apparently who done it. But I can't make all that out personally. So that's the first thing to notice. Here I'll give you a quick little rundown of the pier over here itself. It's the Erie Grace, or I think that's what that says. Alright, let's go look at some other stuff. Alright, so next thing I want to show you is this mermaid here. You can see her from the back. They got some pretty flowers down here. And all this stuff again is made out of wood. There she stands. She definitely ain't the prettiest of gals, let me tell you that. But there you go. There's her whole fin thing. And that would be her. And you can see the mountains in the background. And as we go around this way, you can see those mountains. So there's that. And then out here is the dock. While I'm here, we'll get a view of this. And this will be it. And here's the sign. Welcome to Valdez, Alaska. Viking Orion. So there you go. Alright, so this is the port. Not too much to it. See the Smoky Mountains over there again. And of course those mountains down there are very, very smoky. So, there's that. Alright, let's look for something else. Alright, so here you can see this statue here. Looks like they've got various miners and explorers and things. And if you look back here, you'll see the FJ right there. Of course, the mountains back there. See, walk across this thing. But you can see this guy here, that is like an explorer. All these guys look like miners to me. So I think that's mainly what that is. Oh, and this has got directions down here. That's east, northeast over there, southeast, south. Alright, so pretty cool. Alright, then we're going to try something a little bit different. See this reef in here? There you go. Oh, and that guy on that side's a welder, actually. Alright, so here's the next statue that we run across. It's pretty short. Made of wood as well. And there she is. Not a beauty, but hey. You know, it doesn't say anything about, you know, who she is or what she means or nothing. It just has this design right here on all four sides. So you can see from this back side, it's just uncarved with the mountains. And then, of course, with her hair carved, you can see some mountains back there and mountains back there. Smoky, but, you know, like always. Alright, let's go over here to Ruth's Pond and check this out.